guys, if you're new here, my name is Tisha. I post a lot of fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. If you're interested in these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe. I truly appreciate it. In today's video, we will be trying out curly / wavy hair routine. As older I get, I've slowly started to appreciate my natural hair texture, and I really want to start using products and use techniques that boost my hair texture and hair curls instead of working against it. I remember when I was 13-14, before I used to have the hair straightener, I used to use a regular iron, like the clothing iron, and I used to have the pillow. Hold on, I'll show you to you guys. I used to take the pillow, place my hair like this, flat, and then on top of my hair, I used to place a cloth, and then I used to iron the cloth, which in turn would iron my hair. So that's what I used to do. And eventually, once I remember my aunt gifted me a hair straightener and there was no looking back. I just used to straighten my hair in college, even in my early 20s, mid 20s. I didn't even used to use a curler. It's just I was so fixated with having straight hair. For me, for some reason, straight hair was like the standard of beauty. I watched a couple of wavy and curly YouTubers and also some TikTok videos as well dedicated to wavy hair, and this video is kind of like utilizing the steps from these videos. So let's get started. So I already showered. Instead of using my regular towel, I'm using the microfiber towel. I just got this from Amazon and this is pretty neat. For one of the videos, I used like a cotton t-shirt to plop. It wasn't that difficult, but still, you know, it took a little bit of effort. This one comes in a pack of 2. I'll link the microfiber towel in the description below. Not just this one, all the products I'll be using in this video, I will link it in the description box below. So it's like triangular shape. You put the bigger section on the back, twist it. So there's a button at the back, so you just hook it up and that's it. Even with the microfiber towel, I didn't really squeeze or take out the excess water. I just put my hair down and plop it up. So my hair right now, I would say like 40% dry. I'm going to make it wet before I start the whole styling process. So my hair is back to being wet. The first product I'm going to use is this Cantu leave-in conditioner. I don't want to use too much of any of these products. Like, I think I can build it up slowly if needed, but at least in the beginning I just want to use a little bit, just because I'm too scared like my hair will get weighed down, and I don't want that. I do want volume and definition at the same time. Create like these 2 sections, so it's easier for me to distribute out the product. I'm gonna flip it so I don't forget the back area. Even when I curl my hair using the curling one, I always forget the back. So I didn't put the leave-in conditioner on my roots, just here. I'm really trying my best not to have flat top. The next product I'm using is again from Cantu. It's their defining cream. I'm just taking this much for each section of hair, and I'm just rubbing it onto the hair and then scrunching it. You never made it to a show. So after this, I'm using curl shaping jelly. Again, the same thing. Oh, that just flew. Again, I'm just taking this much, not a lot of product, and same thing, putting through my hair. So the last thing before I start styling my hair is to use this gel. You know, back in 2008, 2009, a lot of the girls used to have those like scrunched, like gel styled hair where it was like so stiff. Even when you move, it would just be there. Like there's like no movement whatsoever. So hopefully it doesn't turn out that way, because that's not the curl I'm looking for. I want curl with volume, life, and movement. With the gel, I'm going to be super careful. Ugh, I hate gel. So I'm using a Denman brush to just comb through and make sure the product gets evenly distributed. So this Denman brush is used to style curly hair. I have never used it before, but I've seen a lot of videos in both YouTube and TikTok. Since I'm combing through my hair right now, I didn't really have to scrunch earlier, but whatever, it's okay. Oh, I could do like a whole sleek back look too, like this. So now I'm going to put my Denman brush underneath my hair, pull it like this, After that, just scrunched it up. I have to do the same step throughout. This is gonna take me a while. I hope I'm doing this thing correctly. The tutorial I saw online, they twist certain portion of the hair, like coil it up. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna twist some of the hair. I can't keep holding on. I've got to be good to me. Once I twist it, I'm just going to scrunch it up. Exposing my heart, I've done more than. Since this is my front piece, I'm definitely going to coil this. That looks nice. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I want it, don't need it. Just gonna twist some of the pieces randomly and then scrunch it up. Pick up the phone, I really think that you should take it or leave it. So I do see curls forming. It's just, again, the back section. It's kind of flat. Before I diffuse my hair, I'm just going to scrunch it with the microfiber towel. In that way, any excess water gets removed. My blow dryer did not come with a diffuser head, so I ended up getting this universal one from Amazon. So this diffuser head comes with this twisty feature, which makes this diffuser head adjustable. So this is how it fits. I'm going to use medium heat and also medium intensity. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back? By the time I started diffusing my hair, the bottom section of my hair, which I started styling first, was kind of dry already. So the next time when I do this, I'm definitely going to spray a ton more of water to make sure the whole thing is completely soaked. So this is the final outcome. I'm not that super crazy about it, but I do see potential. There are curls, like certain section there are properly formed curls, and some section is just a mess. But I do believe if I keep on practicing it and alter it based on my hair type and needs, instead of just following like a tutorial randomly, I do think this would end up becoming like a good solid wavy slash curly hair routine. So there are curls at the bottom, like from midway to the bottom, but the top part is still very flat. That's something that I need to work on. So my hair is kind of dry right now, and this is the only product which says I could use this on dry hair to re-moisturize my curls or coils. So I'm gonna use this because right now it just feels very dry. My hair kind of looks like a mess, just a little. So I think just to style it, I'm going to pin up my hair like this because I have to go for dinner after finishing filming this video. We're getting some delicious omakase and I'm so freaking excited and hungry. So I think I'm just gonna pin my hair up like this, and then I think this should do. So this is it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments below what kind of hair routine do you follow. If you have an Instagram, my Instagram is Tisha, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. It's with me. You're speaking my love language.